What's up, everybody? This is your boy, Christian Wilkins, defensive tackle, and this is the Lowe's Home Team at Home. I just bought this house, and, it was really exciting. It's my first house. Pretty awesome to be a homeowner. It's crazy to be, adulting. It's just a big step. It's a lot of work, but I finally found the one I liked, and now I'm making it a home. Today, setting up a little fire pit and a little hangout lounge area. That's gonna give it more of a homey vibe. Right now, what I'm actually doing is tamping, level the surface out. So now you just want to level it up, make sure it's all even. It's a workout, too. Getting my pump in for the day, my arms, Being down here in Miami, it's always warm. I like to just chill, hang out in the backyard. So right now, I'm just stacking the stone. So you want to stagger them. That way, it adds stability to your wall. And it just looks better, too. My house is just so important to me because the biggest thing is it's just that it's mine. Growing up, I moved a lot, and I always got to see a lot of other people's houses like that, and I always thought when I finally get my house, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm adding some adhesives, make the stone wall a lot stronger and making it more permanent. It's your safe haven. It's, your place where you're gonna be most comfortable. What I always enjoy doing at other people's houses are people's houses are so opening and welcoming to me. I want to create that here as well for people who I care most about. Got a two-piece it, yep. Hey, I'm feeling pretty good. The fire pit's up and running. Long, hard day's work putting it together. Now we chilling, we lit. Who got the graham? Can I get a graham cracker?
For Christian's project and more DIY inspiration from your favorite NFL players, visit Lowe's.com/HomeTeamAtHome.